Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing Trendmood. this is not a new like box thingy, and it's not a subscription either. So you pay I think every month. It varies, so sometimes you could pay like $60, sometimes you could pay like $44. This month's box was $44, and this is what it looks like. And there's a bunch of like goodies in here. I did not open it because I was waiting to do it on camera to show you guys what I got. And let's get it. So shipping wasn't too bad. It took probably like 7 days to get here. How are you opening this? Ow. Alright, there we go. Oh, look how nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. How much do I want? $29. Yeah, that one nice. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. I should take a picture with the box to my thumbnail. So there's no card or anything in here like explaining the products and like the prices and stuff. So the first thing that I got is from this brand. Oh, this brand is called OGX. And this is what it looks like. So it's a shampoo, conditioner, and then a keratin smoothing oil. And these are all full-size products. I'm not sure what these prices are. Yeah, so that's this. Then the next thing that I got is this Chibula active immunity serum from True. Oh my god, all you can see. Hold on, can you see? Yeah. I think the brand is True Botanicals. And there's a thing in here about it. Skin as strong as your spirit, papayoi. Okay, so it says it heals roughness and dryness. It brightens and plumps skin, smooths fine lines and wrinkles, evens skin tone, and improves the skin's elasticity. So these are this shampoo is $14.49. Both together, the shampoo and the conditioner is $32.25, and then the oil is $11.89. So the Danessa Myricks Twin Flames liquid shadows are $26 each. Oh my gosh, yo, this freaking serum is $90. Gimme. What? Hold on, because let me do this math real quick, because this is freaking. So right now we are $186.25. okay, let's see how much for the Patrick Star stuff. Okay, so the primer is $30, so let's add that to the list. Plus 30. Okay, and then let me see how much for the powders. Powders are $16 and I got 2. So all your I pay, let me show all you. So it's $248.25, right? And I paid $44 for all these things. Like, just go and get your box. Just go and get it, okay? Just go and get it, because this shit is unreal. So yeah, look forward to seeing these things on my channel, because I'm super obsessed, clearly. And go and get the box. So did you go into detail about these? the stuff in the box? I did. Well, actually, yeah, I did. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the vibes. Bye guys.